We've arrived. The very last step in our chocolate making process is sifting, and it's so important. This is a sifter that has a very fine mesh, and we pump all the chocolate from our conch through the vibrating sifter with the rotating brushes, which are primarily capturing what we call radicles. And what a radical is where the seed, the cacao seed, would have germinated from and become the taproot. And because it's more dense and woody than the rest of the seed, it doesn't process as well through our machines. And so this sieve is about 80 mesh micron size, and it will capture the unrefined radicle so that everything that comes through this accordion snorkel into our 1-ton transportable tanks is smooth, creamy, delicious chocolate.